What we're milling here right now is a very, very nice shagbark hickory. Little do we know, but I'm getting ahead of myself. You're going to have to watch to the end to see what we find out. I've talked to a number of people that have sawmill videos on YouTube, and we decided that in order for a sawmill channel to succeed, generally requires a scantily clad pretty girl to be running the mill or just moving around, yoga pants or even less. We don't have that ability right here, but what I've done is I've asked Matt to show us some leg, and he says that he won't do yoga pants, but he'll wear short pants. So here's my attempt to boost my channel. The first pass was rather shallow, and at one point the blade left the wood, skipped over the top of the bark, and then dived down again. So it left a bit of a hump, and prior to that we had little bits of dips and dives. So what we're going to do is drop down about another ½ inch and take another pass. The second pass was better than the first, but not by much. And you'll notice on the beginning of the log, it's got a great big hump there. So we've decided to go down about another inch and again, see if we can get this thing straightened out. I'm cranking up the pressure on the blade tension to 3,400 psi, which is what Wood-Mizer recommends. They say the blades nowadays are much stronger than the older ones and can handle the extra pressure. Here I'm using a 4-foot level to check for straightness, and it's much better than the first two passes, but still it's off. So we're gonna drop down again and make a third pass. By now it's obvious to me that the blade is just not cutting the way it's supposed to, but we're committed to making this cut, so I'll finish it off. The result of that last pass was, again, wavy cuts. So what we're going to do is change the blade. After we put on a new blade, we made a partial pass and hit 2 nails, which ruined that blade. We spent quite a bit of time getting the nails dug out and everything. And with the new blade on, we made another pass and hit another nail farther down, which ruined that blade. So then we rotated the log 180 degrees, put a brand new blade on. This time got a little bit smart and brought out the metal detector and ran it up and down the log, and it was very good, nice and clean and clear, no metal, no nothing. So we started making our cuts, and we got 3 very nice 1.5-inch boards. And when we went to get our 4th board, we hit another nail, which ruined the third blade. At that point, we decided to give up and turned the log into firewood. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you on the next one, which according to my plan is probably going to be a very nice pine again. Again, thank you very much.